Our country has done very well in the fight against the global novel coronavirus pandemic. Even in Assam, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and particularly Honorable Finance and Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, the situation is being managed excellently. In Karbi Anglong, we have seen recent increase in the number of community transmission of COVID-19. Therefore, I appeal to every person to observe a 14 days self-quarantine to contain the further spread of the virus. Keep the strict social distance wherever you are. Together, let us fight this pandemic, and I am sure we can overcome it. Thank you.